Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'd like to talk about Ethereum BTC trading pair, and the BTC dominance. Let's dive in. Right, guys. So let's start with the BTC dominance. Take a look. This is a global chart, and you remember my take for this was like 60. First of all, it was like 61%. After that, we hit 64. Now we hit another 165, and yes, 70% is possible. 71% is possible, but I hope we will not see these targets, guys. I hope. I guess too early to celebrate something, with the BTC dominant, because take a look. We dump it here like 11% in November. Here we dump it like 6%. Here we dump in 1 week 3%. So unfortunately, guys, yes, it's possible to see one more leg up and one more leg up. So something like this one this summer. It's not a big deal now. Was from 9%, maybe. This is a target of take profit line on the monthly, I guess. So guys, I hope we will drop from this current prices, because take a look at this take profit. Oh, now even better. Now it's dynamic. I guess it's yes, monthly, everything okay, guys. Everything okay. On a weekly it's 74. So take a look. Last time here, I guess we didn't test the take profit line. Now we take profit at 71.52. So it's not necessary, so we will. I wish to see that some consolidation and the drop under this low bounce and altcoin season. All lines are dynamic. Here's the buy line and bounce. Next cycle. So around some 28 to some 29. So this is for BTC dominance, Now it's hard to say, guys. Now it's hard to say, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row, basically all money inflow into BTC. One day, definitely, that guys who invested in the BTC will start fix a profit and reinvest some money into alts. And some of them can fix just the profit and sit in stable coins. In this case, not all alts will pump. Just in case, guys, Ethereum BTC trading pair. The lowest point, what I waited, it was this one, 0.01621. It's a low of September 19. It's not necessary, so we should drop now to that targets. We can drop after the top. So this is a sell alts and Ethereum around here. I waited the top for Ethereum BTC trading pair. This is what I showed you before. So here we now reject at fundamental value this trading pair. Here's a take profit line. It's 0.059. So it's a time where we need to fix the Ethereum and sell into a BTC, right? And here's the exit line. It's 0.06675 monthly. This block. So we can't drop forever down. We can't. It's impossible. But capitulation, summer here, bounce, end of main altcoin season, new bear market. So now everything pretty simple. We can't know the timing. Would be good to even bounce from these current prices. First trouble area, first level, what we need to achieve, it's yearly open. Yearly open, it's 0.035. So would be good to see this summer. So BTC can go down into correction, right? Even to 95K, for example, there's going to be the range. And I explained it you for BTC took around 180, 210 days or 237 days to hit new all-time high. So it can be from the last all-time high. It can be around August or September for BTC. So it means BTC can go into deep correction this summer, and would be good to see the BTC dominance down and alts pump during all summer. So it can be like DeFi summer, right, again. And build a plan, mark the zones where you would like to fix the altcoins. Based on the chart on the Bitstamp, still the same fib. So we dump it on the zero level, 27 block. I hope we will not drop to this area again. Now we reject 23. So globally, yes, the yearly open is a magnet for the Ethereum. It's 3K 337. Once again, the 0.5 level fib. So it's like a chop, long chop for Ethereum. Capitulation, if we reject it here and crash it down, yes, it's unfortunate 27 block again. So all guys, targets still the same, still relevant. I wish to see the summer something like this one, maybe even this block like 78 or 86. All targets, guys, relevant. Everything absolutely relevant. My take, my all-time high for Ethereum, it's a conservative price, 6K 825, most positive 9K 991. So that's it. I'm not waiting the Ethereum around 10K or even 15 or 20. No, it's just random numbers. So this is it. Daily, yes, would be good to see this like a magnet. All right, take a look now with indicator set on a weekly. Accumulation, no divergency, nothing. So it's good. It's healthy move. Divergency will be if we crash to 27 level. It's like 847. I don't think so. We'll drop that low. All right. So this is capitulation. Take a look on the weekly time frame. Last time when we saw the capitulation, it was December 22 on Ethereum. Imagine that time the price was like 1K, around 1K 150. We pump it to 4K. Now the price was around 1K 500. We pump it to 250, 500, and this is a hope this is time to accumulate Ethereum. This is not a distribution, definitely not a distribution. That's why the main goal now for us, it's just to track the BTC dominance and Ethereum. All your altcoin trading pair, you just have to mark the in and out zones. Withdraw initial deposit after 100% and leave free tokens. It's going to be the safety trade. Anyway, sooner or later, I think the Ethereum will perform. So this is not a time to sell. Time to sell Ethereum was here in April, March 2024. Now it's accumulation. It's good. So it's good. Take a look. The last two indicators. Trade on. 3 indicators. Trade on. Sell. Buyback. Pretty good one. Last time when we saw this buyback, we bounced at like 91%. From this one, 91%, it can be like here. Yes, 0.5. We will see. We will see. Take profit. Guys, take a look. We almost tested the fundamental value of this socket. Now, the road can be open to, if we reject it here, we can crash on a daily time frame to the buy line again. Buy line on the Ethereum now it's 1K 348. Take profits 2K 400. 2K 690. Exit line at 3K and 22. And weekly take profit it's at 3K 565. Exit line 4K and 10. So I'm waiting my main targets for alts to our somewhat at break even, maybe like Starknet. I wish to out at the break even now because entry round was like 30 cents. So some I will fix a profit. Yesterday I fixed a profit on some altcoins. So this is money inflow was in March. So we can say 1K 754. It was a comfortable price for the whales. Now it's not a time to out of the token. This is not a top of the top. So everything okay. Everything okay for Ethereum. So guys, save this chart, and mark the prices. Don't build the crazy dreams for Ethereum. I recommend you to build a more conservative price targets, and follow your plan. All targets relevant. All bullish, bearish zones were more than okay. Accumulate, distribute Ethereum. I showed you the logic. I explained it to you, guys. Write please in comment what do you think we will see this May and what we will see on alts this summer. If you would like to trade with my customer success, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.